Let's jump back into programming, yo. Okay. Oops, Xenoclash. Okay, do I want Xenoclash? Let's make I'm just gonna make Xenoclash its own playlist there, that's fine. Okay. All right, team. So, what's happening in RQ real quick? Bam! Legs. One of my legs. I need a leg reversal. Okay. Is my Twitch working? We are online. Getting to the point with the program that I'm on lesson 7 out of 12. So, I mean, it's kind of like this. Let's say you're doing programming and you see somebody's thing and his thing's like, oh wow, that guy, part of that, my team made this amazing thing. I wish I could just be like them and do what they did. And then you see this, they're like, okay, cool, let me show you how they did that. And then you see all these things. It's like, oh my gosh, I can never do that. It's just so much stuff. Oh, and it's like you quit, right? Here's what I'm saying is take breaks, right? A lot of us have other jobs, you know, we either or maybe school, right? You might not have time to sit down and grind through a huge checklist of things in like a couple weeks and then have a finished product that's amazing and marketable. Everybody has their own skill sets. Everybody's got their own process that they're going through. You don't have to wait a minute, am I on the Twitch? Oops, I'm not in Xenoclash right now. I'm in game development. Apologize. I apologize. I'm gonna call this motivation. Motivational words for game dev. There we go. Oh, come on, editing status. Don't be like that. Don't be like that. Don't do that. Don't. Okay. Motivational words for game dev. There we go. Thank you. I can teach you. So, what has happened is like, first things first, stop comparing to other people. I don't do it anymore. The only time I used to compare to other people was, I'd say, pre-relaxing horse adventure thing, you know, and after I did relaxing horse adventure, it was over. I was just like, okay, I'm just gonna start doing my own stuff, you know. Let me show you relaxing horse adventure real quick. I think you'll like that. I'm gonna show you this, what it is. I'm gonna do a let's play of something I made. Now that's what I call an advertisement. When you do let's plays of your own stuff. Google it. Relaxing horse adventure. Bavardon.com. Okay, so here's the game I made. Okay, so here's a little horsey, and it eats the apple. It's not, look, I had like a little bug there. But it's like, you know, I made this. I wanted to show my mom and dad what I was working on. Drew them with my own horse. drew my own rocks, drew my own stuff, did it all in ActionScript, okay? But basically what happened was after I made that game, it's not really a game, more I made that game demo, I was like, I'm not going to compare to other people anymore. I know enough about art. I know about stuff that I'm going to make things. Now here's a catcher. Programming languages are changing every day. Dart just came out. Dart is a new language in order to convert your stuff that you're working on into JavaScript easily, made by Google, whatever. There's always going to be something new that's going to make you feel like, oh, I got this weight of the world crashing down on my creativity. Now I got to learn one more thing. No, you don't. The only time I recommend learning something new is if you're forced to, because it really should be focusing on busting out your content. And what does that mean? So as you can see here, I'm running Android Studio right now. Now Android Studio is different from Eclipse. Eclipse is what I made Donkey Levels and my tic-tac-toe tutorials on. Okay. Now what's the issue with Android Studio is you're not even offered to get Eclipse anymore. You pretty much have to use Android Studio if you're doing a new install. So when you factor that in, it's almost like I was forced to learn Android Studio, and now that I'm using it, I find it is a little bit more stable of a development platform. Things I like about it, it's auto imports. That's clean. Things that I'm not too keen on yet is I'm not exactly sure on how to get suggested implementations like I used to have in Eclipse. Okay, but that's probably just me not knowing how to use it thoroughly enough yet. So I'm not complaining on that. So recap, look at how other people are doing, that's fine, but don't even stress about if they're doing well or not. Who cares? Second, assets. That's something we're going to be talking a lot about is get those assets done first, then move on to your coding. And that's why I like this tutorial I'm working on now with this space game, is it's like it's all about assets. So let's just jump into it. I'm sick of talking. I want to get my feet wet coding here. Let's see where I'm at. I guess I should make my head smaller so you can actually read the stuff. There it goes. Public void draw. Public void draw. Count background. Okay, what we got here? Whoa, bro. Left top. Whatever our counter value is. Get width times I plus W. Seems like I should be using common. Where's what W? Screen. Is that I plus W? I plus X. You know, it'd be cool if someone made a tablet where it's like the charging port, there's like redundant charging ports. Because when I sit it up, it's like I want the charger to be on the top, not the bottom, because I want it to be charging while I'm using it. So please amend that. So can I say anything right now? Hello. Hello, Mr. Crypt. Dude, I was just going to say hello, Mr. Cryptacy. Mr. Cryptacy, I was just going to say hello, and you said hello at the same time. How are you? There we go. Can I disable screensaver on this thing? Or did this guy already leave? Settings. Because it went to screensaver and I didn't see it. Display. Sleep. That's my problem. 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes inactivity means I'm not getting a whole lot of communication. Forever an elusive mystery. How come I don't have info yet? How come I don't have info? Forever an elusive mystery. Great job. Just turn it on. That's another. I'm good. How about you? I'm doing good. I'm good too. I'm gonna say I'm good as well. Cause I wanna be Come on, send it. It's tablet. Okay, I'm looks like I'm gonna be having to alt tab more. Mr. Cryptic YouTube. Is that what is WT short for YouTube? Is YT short for YouTube? Because mine says TV, and yours says YT. How come I can't connect to my interwebs? Okay. Plus dot. Wait, where did we get Y from? Y. Okay, that's definitely an X, not a W. I'm gonna reload my tablet because I don't like how I don't know what you're saying. I want to keep an eye on my buddy here, and that is Mr. Crypty. Welcome to the chat room. Hi, there we go. Reconnected to that chat. Connect all of them. Okay, so we got a Y and we got a null in here. Canvas.draw bitmap, back bitmap, get width times I. this bitmap equals bitmap. Background bitmap. Screen W. Game panel. This dot x equals 0. This dot y equals 0. I understand it, don't you? Okay. That's how we're doing it. I understand it. If you didn't understand it, then stay in school. If math, okay. If math dot abs, you got great abs. No, I'm talking about absolute value of x. I'm not talking about sit-ups. What kind of abs you got, girl? I got math abs. Boom. Math abs x is greater than, okay, is greater than back bitmap dot get width back. If the absolute value of x is greater than the background bitmap's total width, then what? What's going to happen next? X is equal to x. Okay. X is equal to, have you ever seen this? Okay, so you're probably wondering about why would you x equals x plus this plus this. It's basically, it's like saying x is equal to what x currently is, or what it used to be, plus something else. So I'm saying I want x now to be what x is right now, plus something else, which is the total width of the background. So it's kind of like, I actually think of it like, ever heard of Planck's constant, where it's like the whole universe seems like it's all flowing, but actually it's actually more like like this, seems like this, but it's actually more like doing the robot. And the reason why is because we just can't perceive that it's all very clumpy. Either that or else the universe isn't like that, but I think it probably is, and it's more like a frame rate issue where it's like, oh, okay, yeah, this is really smooth. It's not like staggered. So it's saying x, I want x in that little Planck's constant later to be equivalent to what it was a Planck constant earlier, plus all this extra stuff. It's time to update all of them. I didn't even know if I had a ship speed yet. What the heck did I just... Speed... Ship speed. No. Yeah, ship speed times dt. Okay, so we're going to grab game panel. Wow. Root game panel dot ship speed. I really think we should be using parentheses to tighten these up, because right now, oh no, I guess we're using standard to get at it, but I guess he's using like parenthetical conservation, which is fine, but he's dealing with floats also. Game panel, public background, public float. Okay. Oh my gosh, I just... There we go. Okay. Set focusable. Ship speed equals... So screen width divided by 2. Let's see if this is right. Okay, sorry. Let's... But I don't even have the screen width yet. Screen width divided by 2f. We're going to pass screen width in this thing? Okay. Is that a capital W for width? Yes, it is. Ah. Now we're jumping into game. What the heck? You just did a million things right there. Oh. Final int height. Game panel. Final int. Final int should be above. Game panel rel. This dot. Display metrics. This dot get window manager. Game panel relative main game is underneath the ints. Okay. This with S, width of the screen. Wait, this doesn't make sense. It's got the... Huh? Cannot with this resolve. Final int. This rel making super display metrics. Okay, why is it saying it can't resolve this? Int with S. Background. Okay. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. I just need to review what he's doing right now because it's getting complicated. X equals int casting call that still doesn't help my width. Screen with get holder callback thread. New background. Come on. Bitmap factory. Here we go. It's time for my bitmap factory. Bathroom break. Together we'll break my baby better chains of love. How can I explain what makes me feel that way? Talk to me, talk to me, talk to me. Together we'll break these chains of love. What? Oh, background equals. New background. Bitmap factory dot decode resource get resources id dot relative layout. No. R dot drawable. Game. Game font. I don't. Right, drawable. I think this is why I probably should have probably why I should have kept with the same variable names. First time I made a mistake in my life. Will be the last. Can I make this any more complicated, please? Thank you. Oh, come on. Why can't I draw? How come I can't draw? Non-static method, draw. Kind of a reference from a static context. Is this because I have errors? Maybe a little bit. Ugh. Whatever. Background dot draw public void draw is capital. Do I have a method that's dot draw? Wait, I do. Draw. I do have a method that says background. I'm gonna have to basically redo this whole one. Public update. Really wish I cleaned up that first error before jumping into this. Okay, wait. Dude, they changed it. He was at cap and now he's not cap. Little cheater. That makes me mad. Mic auxiliary boost. How come I can't? I need to turn down my microphone. I'm making too much noise. Microphone, listen, levels. Oh, yeah, what, dude? Should be down here, dude. I already set it to that. It's stupid. I've probably been blasting my... But this still doesn't explain this. Game panel equals new game panel. Get application content. Does it not take game? Okay, there's something wrong with it. I'm calling too many variables. So game, parameter game. I wonder if I passed game here. That's final int with S. Huh. How come height? I'm gonna have to review that one. It's got me stumped. See, he doesn't have any errors right now. I don't know. I need to go back. Sorry, but I gotta go back because this error is going to cause me problems. Let's go all the way back to when it didn't have an error. Background. So let's grind it out. Okay. Public. Okay, it's game panel. It's okay though. Public main thread. Thread. Okay, I don't need all these notes now. Now I need to just make this exactly so I can cross-reference here. Main thread. Boolean. Background. Float. Ship speed. Okay. Screen width. Now he's going on game. He's seeing the issue. Game. Screen width. Now he's going to the game. Okay. Okay, good. So now he's going to game. we're looking at what does he have. He has view, pause button. He's got the relative layout. He's got the game panel, relative, main game. He's got his on-click listener. He's got his on-click listener. He's got 2 sections. Okay, we go to the main menu. What we got here? We got an on-click and we got a finish. It's fine. Pause click. What do we got here? We got to set visibility. Pause the game. Okay, so now we need. Let's see what's going down. Super on create. Set context view. Game. Relative main game. Relative layout. Whatever. Game panels here. Oh. Oh wait, but then he makes changes to it. He highlights display metrics, the get window manager, and our ints are isolated from the layout inflator. So I'm gonna do a little thing like that. What's weird though, let's see what happens. Relative main game, rel main game, that's fine. There's still something above it though. Okay, we got the display metrics is below relative main game. So we got the set content, we got the relative main game. We got the window manager. We got our final ints. We got the game panel with an error. And then we got the relative main game. This shit, it's a comma, not a period. Man, that sucked really bad. Okay, let's move forward. Look at that. All my errors got cleaned up. I'm going to say below this refers to the panel itself. Look at that, all of those errors just go away. Draw canvas. Surface created, huh? Do it. Surface. Oh, this is crazy. Now we're getting into threads again. True. Set running to true. Start it. Surface destroyed. Retrying. Thread join. I don't really know about joins yet. And try. Oh snap! We're at that point. We're at the point of running. All right. Oh man, this is exciting. It usually never works in the first try though. So. Okay, I'm in the start game. I'm scared to touch the button. Not doing anything. Okay, why did that one say... Okay, the only difference I did was... I said, our trouble. Okay. GameBG.png should be my game. Where did he get it? Bitmap Factory dot decode resource. Okay. Get resource. Get resources, comma. ID dot. Game FON. Game FON. Try running it one more time. Start game. It's black. It's black. It's not working. Game FON. I guess I need to find out what. I'm gonna have to go to the beginning and find out game FON. Maybe this is caused because I messed up my game layout. r.layout.game. Huh. Maybe will this actually work? Let's just see if this works, because this actually could work, because it's like let's project build clean project. Okay, I'll give it one more time. Okay, so that didn't work. Hmm. Okay. Clean it again. 1200 by 800? That could be my problem. This one's 1920 by 1080. This is 1200 by 800. Everything is 1200 by... It doesn't make sense why this would be bigger. I'm going to duplicate this. Paste it. $1920 by 1080, dude. It's not a 1080p device. trans. Not showing it. Huh. Parameter game is never used. Okay, so it looks like I gotta go back all the way to C6 to see what's happening. Hey, that's why I called this a raw channel. You never know what's gonna happen.